Lah, ni kedai kopi dia. Hulama. Oh, open.
Saya lagi di rumah deh guys. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so alhamdulillah dah selesai makan dekat kari kambing 40 hari. So ramai, kena beratur. Lebih kurang dalam 30 minit macam tu lah. Sebab kami sampai pun agak lambat. So biasa lah tengah hari orang nak makan lunch. So jom, destinasi selepas ni kita akan pergi dekat kedai kopi Ikat. Kedai kopi Ikat Tepi. Nama dia Kedai Kopi Ikat Tepi. Dekat Yong Peng. So hari ni ada sahabat kita nak belanja katanya. So kita pun menerimalah pelawaan dengan hati yang terbuka. Alright, so ni kita akan ke mana ni? Kita akan ke dataran Yong Peng dulu. So jom kita jumpa kat sana. So kita ada YouTuber daripada Pasir Gudang. Ni member daripada Pasir Gudang, Airul MK. Ada punya channel. Jangan lupa subscribe geng. Depan ni geng-geng FZ JB lah. Motor smart semua. Motor semua set touring. Lawa kan. Lepas tu dah convert. Oh, smart. Ya, ini dia. Nama apa? Nama apa? Ilham. Oh ini Ilham ni. So dah sampai dekat dataran ya. Ui. Dia sampai dulu. Oh ini dia dataran Yong Peng. Kita tak tahu. Dataran Gemilang. Terbilang.
Ini boleh parking ambil gambar dulu kan?
Boleh.
Kita tadi nak parking memang
memang tak dapat nak kumpul semua. Hui. Tengok dia punya FZ geng. So ini dia barisan-barisan. Fighter kita. Mantap geng.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Okay geng, so selesai. Selesai ya. Gambur-gambur sikit. Mana yang kita ikut berarti ni dia nak belajar kopi kan. Alhamdulillah rezeki. Orang kata rezeki jangan ditolak. So kita pergi lah menziarah orang kata kedai kopi dah. Nanti kita review kopi dah. Sebab katanya viral juga dekat area Yong. So jom kita tengok kopi tak kopi. Alhamdulillah, di panas-panas macam ni ada orang nak belajar ayak. Rezeki kan. So dia katanya dalam kebun kelapa sawit. Oh, ada dekat 30 biji. 30 biji tadi. Kira tadi dalam 30 biji lah. Mantul geng. Organize trip paling ramai join. Alhamdulillah. Dapat berukuah orang kata. Tapi SOP kena jaga lah geng. Suka-suka juga kan. Sudah sampai. Oh, dia ada cendol lah. Ada cendol. Oh, ni kedai kopi dia. Hulama. Oh, open.
Bukan, saya habis? Saya member dia.
Member tuan kedai lah.
No problem. Ni pun kita sama-sama.
Alhamdulillah, rezeki. Itulah.
Memang viral.
Dengan pokok sawitnya rendang ke apa?
Sekarang 1.3 juta. Betul.
Oh.
Sampai ada yang KL datang, siap macam mana boleh viral.
Jom. Apa dia? Mana? Dia nak juga. Cik Hairul eh?
Special sini ada kopi.
Kopi eh? Mantap.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful.
Sedap kan?
Oi, padu babe. Memang rasa kopi betul.
Kena datang lah. Dari sini kena datang lah.
Kalau abang
Cuba
panggil,
lah, datang cuba lah.
kita datang.
Macam mana bang? Apa ni? Apa? Bopia?
Bopia,
Banana? Cheese? Coklat?
panas. Coklat, banana, bopia,
Cheese?
cheese.
Ada cheese ke?
Ada. Tapi yang kelainan dia.
Sedap lah, sedap.
Dia coklat dia pakai coklat rabu. Biasanya dia pakai coklat apa tu? Macam kalau makan.
Serbuk.
Serbuk.
Oh, yang macam picit tu.
Itu dia pakai.
Faham.
Itu kan dia jadi rasa tak sama. Ini rasa lebih asli dia.
Rangut sikit.
Rangut. Pisang dia pun padu. Ini pisang.
Ada pisang tu?
Ada pisang.
Oh, ada pisang.
Ini pisang muda.
Ya, pisang.
Masuk YouTube ni.
Yang tu kau itu kan.
Okay kan, alhamdulillah. So habis event. Jom. Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih. So alhamdulillah dah habis. Terima kasih kepada tuan rumah. Tuan rumah. Okey, tuan rumah kedai kopi kat tepi. So kepada siapa yang berminat kopi dan berada di Yong boleh datang dekat sini lah. Tadi dah makan nasi kari kambing 40 hari. Dah makan, gerak-gerak makan lagi. Tuan rumah belanja pisang lah, apalah kan. Ya Allah, baik spaghetti, apa tu satu lagi, macam-macam lah, mi kari lah. Allah, memang terbaik lah layanan. Terima kasih kepada tuan apa tadi lah, tuan kedai lah, sebab mengsponsor untuk event hari ni. Alhamdulillah.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Bruh.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
few moments later.
Okay geng, so dah selesai semua, dah sembahyang, dah itu dah ini lah, dah membuang semua. Dah settle. So hari ni cuaca sangat-sangat baik, Alhamdulillah. Tapi agak sedikit panas lah. Cuma itulah, Alhamdulillah panas. Tapi kalau hujan, pisang mat. Dia panas tak apa. Okay, so jom, aku rasa itu saja untuk video kali ni. Terima kasih kepada siapa yang menonton video ni sampai habis. Aku ucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih. Aku harap hampa enjoy dengan view-view yang dihidangkan sebentar tadi. Okay, so jom kita akhiri video ni dengan Assalamualaikum. Berjumpa lagi kita di next video, insyaAllah. Bye bye.